Sally has a mother who doesn't know what's best. She also has a brother who's younger. He's a fat ass. Sally has a daddy who's a gentleman. He's to the dial. Sister Abby, they try to get along. You don't belong to a family, and that's a fact you can't ignore. You don't belong to a family, but at the same time, they're not yours. You have uncles, you have aunts, and you have cousins too. They'll say they're not in your families, but you're not in theirs too. Your grandma and your grandpa, they don't love to give you gifts, and all they need from you, grandchild, is the hug and the kiss. You don't belong to a family, and that's a fact you can't ignore. You don't belong to a family, but at the same time, they're not yours. Fuck you, Mom.